Afternoon, all of you. Yeah, good afternoon. Can you all see the screen? Yes. Okay, same. Previous year's question, four chapters, and there are one or two cyclic quadrilateral questions. We'll try to do even those. How many students are? Yusra, Maria, Blevio, Ivania, Chicha, Mariana. 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good afternoon, sir. Yeah, good afternoon, Tadishka. Yesterday you left in between? Did you attend yesterday? So the last 10 minutes I left, so my laptop got switched off. Okay. Fine, Tanishka. 1, 2, 3, 6. How many? Adia, Diyesh, Joanna, 3. Naomi, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we'll start. See, we'll do one thing, student. Third, right? So, third. Total, how many chapters you'll have for test? 5, 6, or 7? Total. Total for first test. For first test, how many chapters? 7? Okay, so we'll try to complete cyclic 5. The other two are fine. The other two are a bit easy. Okay, Naomi, did you go through yesterday's class? Good afternoon, sir. Yeah, good afternoon. Did you go through yesterday's class? Yes. Okay, what did I do? What was done, Naomi? You did the revision of the previous 4 chapters. Did you try those questions? Sir, yes, sir. I need to complete few other of them, sir. Okay. Complete that. I'll upload this, students. Whatever I do, I'll upload. Later it will be useful. Just go through. I'll upload all this. But I'll create a separate folder. Look here. See, can you see this file folder name? PYQ, previous year's question, 2022-23, part 1, and today we'll complete few more questions. So if you open the playlist, in playlist, look here. If you go to playlist, you'll have math 10th, previous year question, 2016 to 24. Around 8 years, we'll try solving all 8 years. All the videos will be available here. Okay, next question. Try the next one. Try this question. A bag contains 25 cards. Probability. Try this, students. Perfect number, prime number, multiple of 5. 3 marks question. A bag contains 25 cards, so sample space is 25 SS, or total possible outcome is 25. Denominator is also 25. Can you all see the question? Is it visible?
Yes.
Okay. If you're using phone, just double tap, student. Double tap the screen, it will get zoomed in. If you're attending through phone. Yes, students done? Completed?
Yes.
Only 3 minutes, not more than that. Look here, 12:45. Within 3 minutes, you have to complete 3 to 4 minutes. So it's only 3 marks question. Shall I explain this? All of you are done?
Done, sir.
Okay, look here.
Okay.
Favorable outcome. What is the favorable outcome? What are the favorable multiples of 5 students? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Total how many numbers are there? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25.
Five.
Total 5.
Five numbers.
Yes. This is how you have to do. This is not coin. Remember, for coin we take multiples of 5. Remember that facing 10, facing upwards. If it was coin, what do we do, students? If we toss 2 coin, for 5, what is the outcome? 2 comma 3. 3 comma 2, 1 comma 4. Do you remember coin question?
Yes.
Yeah, this
Yes,
you
sir.
coin we do it like this. If it is 10, 4 comma 6, 6 comma 4, 5 comma 5. These are the combinations, but this is not coin question. So here you don't write all this. This is cards. So total outcome is 5. Possible outcome is 5. Next, the answer for this probability is equals to, you can write favorable outcome divided by total outcome possible, or S is equals to 25, E is equals to 5, E divided by S. P of E divided by S is equals to 5 divided by 25. Answer is 1 by 5. All of you all got 1 by 5? Yeah, next second question. Second one is perfect square. What are the perfect square favorable outcome? From 1 to 25, tell me all the perfect square 1 to 25.
1, 4, 9, 16, 25.
Okay, E. E is the favorable outcome. Perfect square 1, no, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Okay. 1 square is 1. What are the other perfect square? 2 square is 4,
4,
3 square 9, up to 25. 4 square, 5 square.
16.
Yeah. See, 1 square, even if they ask cube value, you have to consider 1. 1 is the universal number. So what are the answers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You write it as 1, 4, 9, 6, 25. Total how many numbers are there?
5 numbers.
5, right? So P of E divided by S, same 5 divided by 25, 1 by 5. Perfect square numbers. Even 1 is a perfect square, students, but 1 is not a prime number. Next question. What are the prime numbers we have? Okay, we'll see the answer for this. Perfect square. 1 by 25. Next, tell me the prime numbers. What are prime numbers? Divisible by 1 and itself. It is 1.
1 and 3.
No, no, 1 is not a prime. 1 is not a prime. A prime number should.
2, 3.
Yeah, 1 is not a prime.
2, 3, 5.
I'll tell you all the reason. Look here. Look at the value what they've given, student. You can even write it in the same way. You write E divided by S. According to R.S. Agarwal textbook, they write E divided by S. If not, you can simply write number of prime by total. Favorable by total number of outcomes. Yeah, go through the solution 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Okay, let me take 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. All these are prime numbers and composite 4, 6, 4, 6, 9. Now look here. What's the difference? What are the factors of 2, students? Tell me the factors of 2. 1 into 2 and 2 into 1. So how many factors are there? How many factors? 1 and 2. For 3, what are the factors for 3? 1 comma.
1, 3,
For 5, 1 and 5. 1 comma 7. For 11, look here. 11, 1 into 11, 11 into 1. We have only 2 factors. So 1 comma 11. But when it comes to composite numbers, there are 3 ways to get 4. 1 into 4, 4 into 1. What's the other value? 2 into 2. So 1 comma 2 comma 4. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 6. 1, 3, 9. This is the difference. For a prime number, how many factors do we have? For prime numbers, how many factors? Only 2 factors. Remember this. They might ask you for MCQ. Prime numbers, we have only 2 factors. For composite, it can be more than 2. Look at 4, it has 3 factors. Look at 6, it has 4. 9, it has 3. But when I take 1, students, how many factors 1 has? Only 1 into 1 gives 1, right? How many factors? It has only
Yes, sir.
1 factor. Therefore, it is not a prime number. A prime number should always have 2 factor numbers. That's the reason prime number 1 is not considered as prime. But it is considered as square number, perfect square, perfect cube. 1 square is 1, 1 cube is also 1. Okay, that's it. We'll see the next question. This was probability question. Next. Volume underscore calculate. Okay, construction, what kind of line segment? Rule, find a chord. Oh, you have circle construction. Construction of circles. Component of division by APG. Factorize, okay, factor theorem. Next chapter, factor theorem. 2 centimeters. Fine, that's it. Only these questions you'll add. How many questions we solved? 5 or 6? From 2020 to how many questions? Just check, students. Yesterday and today, whoever has done it, I told you all to maintain a separate book, right? Today, purchase a separate notebook, 400, 200 or 400 pages. Okay. 6 questions. And in the 6 questions, Ivania, have you written the marks? Even the marks I mentioned, right? No, okay. Next time, write even the marks, Ivania.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right, even the marks. So that was 2022 students. Those 4 chapters, they have given 6 questions. I think 4 marks we solved 2 questions, and another 3 questions was 3 marks. So 8, 2 MCQs, 2 MCQ and 4 normal question. Somewhere around 18 marks. No, not 18, 15. Yeah, 15 to 18 marks we have solved. Okay, we'll try 2023. 2023. Okay, try this question. Did we try this? Did we do this? Okay, this is what we had solved. Yeah, try this question, students. MCQ. For an intra-state, the GST paid by the dealer is 120 and the mark price is 2000. The rate of GST, 2024 paper. Yesterday I gave you all a formula. What's the formula? GST is equals to X divided by 100 into cost price or mark price. GST is equals to X divided by 100 into mark price. And this is CGST given. If CGST is 120, how much is GST? What will be GST? No. GST is double, Ivania. GST is double. 240. CGST is half of it. GST is 120, so GST will be double. 240. So calculate for 240.
Answer.
Done? Look, 12% they have given the answer, but you should know how to calculate it. All of you will try it. See, if you're not getting it, I'll explain. Look here. For an intrastate, the CGST paid by, what is CGST value, students? CGST is, what's the value? 120?
Yes.
CGST is 120. CGST is equals to 120. Then what will be the value of GST? 240. See, I'll tell you a direct method. If you want direct method, whatever GST or SGST they give, take that, divided by cost price. Take down the direct formula. Divided by 2000 into 100. What's the answer? How many zeros gets cancelled? All three. 2 ones are, 2 12s are. Look, I'll give you all the direct formula. 2 ones are, 2 12s are, 12%. The direct formula for this is, if they ask you all to calculate CGST or GST, the formula is CGST divided by mark price or cost price into 100. SGST divided by mark price or cost price, whatever price they give, or selling price into 100. GST divided by mark price or selling price into 100. Okay, this is the formula. Fine. Here they've asked the rate of GST. What if they ask the rate of CGST? How will you solve the rate of CGST, students? Which one should I divide? 120 or 240? 120. 120 divided by 2000. If they ask the rate of CGST, so all three zeros will get cancelled. 2 ones are, 2 6 are, 6%. Even like this, you all can find what is CGST value. How much is CGST? 6%. Then what will be the value of GST? GST is double, so that is 12%. Yeah, whether it is percentage or cost price, it is double. You will get the calculation correct. Same. Okay, that was one. Look, we'll see the calculation. GST 120. All this is not required because it is only 1 mark MCQ question. In case of intrastate, all this I have explained. Intrastate is CGST, SGST will be equal. So 240 GST rate. See, this is the formula. GST amount. Can you see the formula? GST amount divided by mark price. GST amount divided by mark price into 100. Remember that. Okay, next question. Mean, median. On this only one question. Circumcenter. Oh, we didn't start that. Yeah, try this question. Okay, so I think we have to solve even this MCQs, assertion and all those questions related to that they've asked. Look, let me explain this, students. Try this assertion and reason. A die is thrown once. The probability of getting an even number is 2 by 3. So if a die is thrown once, what is the sample space? All of you will answer this. What is the sample space? 6. Total sides. A die has 6 sides. If a die is thrown once, what is the probability of getting an even number? What are the even numbers, students? What are even numbers? 2, 4, 6. Total 3. So what? How do you write probability? E divided by S. 3 divided by 6. When you reduce it, you get 1 by 2. Okay, what have they given here? 2 by 3. Is it correct? Is assertion correct? A correct? A is false. Okay. Remind me this, students. When we solve chapters, we'll try even this assertion and reason. Assertion is nothing but they'll give you one value. They'll assert a value. That is what assertion means. Okay, so assertion is false here. It is not true, it is false. Next, read the reason. The sample space for even number is 246. Is it correct? Sample space for even?
No.
Why no? 246. These are the sample space for even numbers, right?
Yes, sir.
Even here, sample space, they have not asked for entire dice. What they have specified here? Sample space for even number. Sample space is nothing but total favorable outcomes, students. For even number, what are the total favorable outcomes? What are the total outcomes? 2, 4 and 6. Therefore, reason is true or false. Whatever the reason they have given is true or false. Reason is true. Reason is true, assertion is false. Assertion is nothing but they will give you all a value. They have given 2 by 3. That is wrong. It's actually 1 by 2. Look at the answer. A is false, R is true. Option 2. We'll see the solution. A is false, R is true. Okay, look here. What is the required probability? 1 by 2. Assertion is false. In reason part, the even number of the die is 246. Therefore, it is true. Did you understand how to solve assertion and reason question? MCQ? Assertion and reason. Okay, check both. Check both. Any one option will be right. Next, okay, we'll have similarity. Factorization. Try this question. Suresh has a RD account in bank. He deposits 2,000 per month and bank pays interest. Rate is given. P is given. If he gets 4,000, interest is given. Time. Okay, time is given, student. Then which method do we use if time is asked? How do you solve for time? We use quadratic equation. Yes, we use quadratic equation. Try this. Along with this, right? I think 4 marks. How many marks question? 4 marks. Here they haven't used quadratic, they've done it directly. Complete it. And this is from banking. You can directly write like this. Don't write entire sentence. P principal is 2000, rate R is 8%. If he gets 1040 as interest, I is equals to 1040. Total time, that is N. MV is not given. If MV is not given, just write I formula. I is P into N plus 1. All of you will solve this part. Before solving quadratic equation, let me know, students. All of you done with this part?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
yeah, stop doing first. Let me check this. Then you can start with quadratic. Lemula, Tanishka, Yusra, Naomi, done till your equation part.
Yes, sir.
Okay, look here, let me
Yes.
try. Two zeros gets cancelled here. Look. Naomi, I've seen you doing it in different way. Don't change any value. Keep it as it is. Naomi, Lemula. Keep it as it is and first cancel. Two zeros gets cancelled. Look here. Two ones are, two tens are. Then four twos are 8, four threes are 12. Right? Keep n into n plus 1 as it is. N into n plus 1, right hand side. What happens to this three students? If 3 goes to the denominator, it gets multiplied. And what comes to the denominator? 10 into
20.
10 into 2. Write it as 10 into 2. You can cancel 1 0 here. 2 ones are 2 how many times? 52.
52.
So answer is 156 is equals to n into n plus 1. Till here it is easy. After this, important step. How do you rewrite this, students? How do you arrange this? Can you tell me the general equation, not quadratic equation, general equation? Ax square, correct. Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Look here. Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Here we don't have x, here we have n. So in terms of n, it should have been a n square plus b n plus c is equals to 0. So if you open the bracket here, you get n square plus n into 1 is n. If you rewrite this, you'll get, look at n square plus n. 150 goes to the other side, becomes plus 156 or minus 156. Minus 156 is equals to 0. Now tell me the value of a, b and c. What is a? A is equals to 1. B is equals to
1.
a1 b1, right? B1. C is equals to minus. Okay, this is how you do it. Use quadratic. If you don't use quadratic, 156, you have to use factorization method. Is it possible to use factorization for 156? Do you know the tables? It is lengthy here. Here solution they have given direct value 13 and 12. But in exam you won't be able to figure out, students, 13 and 12. So don't use that. Yeah, try quadratic. All of you try quadratic equation. X is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Complete this. 156 into 4. What did you get? Okay, 624. See, I don't think you need long division, right? It's very simple question. What is square root of 5?
25.
Okay. 25 divided by 2, comma, minus 1 minus 25 divided by 2. Concentrate when you're solving, students. Focus 625. You don't need long division. 625 is 25. You should know square root. So minus 1 plus 25 is 24 divided by 12. You'll get one value. Minus 26 divided by 2. Which value do we take? Positive or negative? We take positive. 2 ones are 2, 12. N is equals to how many months? 12 months. Or when you convert into years, time is equals to 1 year.
1 year.
Look, entire calculation I've shown. Lemula, did you understand? Naomi, Lemula, Mariam, Mariana, Charisha.
I understand, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
N is 12, T is 1.
Yes, sir.
3 or 4 marks question. Okay, let's see the solution. T is 1. N is equals to 12. N minus 13 is not possible. You don't need to write all the statement. As a result, the time period for which the money is invested is 12 months or 1 year. Mention both. 12 months or 1 year. Fine. Okay, next question. We'll see if anything is given. Okay, try this quadratic equation. Wait, students, let me write. See, quadratic equation. We didn't start the chapter, but still you can try this. What is the value given? According to general equation, what is A given? Tell me the value of A. A is 2. Not 2x, Mariana. A is 2. B is equals to? B is with the sign.
10.
Minus 10. Minus 10. And C is equals to 5. So x is equals to minus b plus minus square root. Try this, all of you complete. I think even this is for 3 marks. Look here. A is 2. Look at this, students. A is 2, B is minus 10, C is 5. And the formula. Try this. Minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2. Look, simple question. 3 marks, 3 or 4 marks. One entire chapter is based on quadratic equation. See, minus b will become minus of minus 10, that is plus 10. And long division method, you have to use decimal calculation. Naomi, what's the value you got? Square root of 100 minus,
70, sir.
how come 70? 100 minus what?
30, sir.
You don't know how to calculate this? 4 twos are
40,
8 5s are?
8 5s are 40.
What did you write?
Sorry, sir. It is 60.
You write your own values. It's wrong. 60, right?
Yes, sir.
In exam, you do it like this. You'll get 0, Naomi. 60. Factorize 60. Yeah. Try 60 students. What is the closest value, Naomi? Long division method. Closest perfect square. Tell me the closest perfect square for 60.
7.
7 sevens or 8 eights are? 7 sevens are. 49. Remainder.
11, sir.
11. Remainder 11. Then what do? You add this plus
7, 14.
14. 14 is greater than 11, right? So what do? You keep a decimal, you keep a point, and how many zeros? How many zeros do we have?
1.
No. This is okay. Yesterday you didn't attend, right? Naomi, we had 2 zeros here, Naomi. This is square root concept. Usually in division, how many after keeping a point? In normal division question, how many zeros do we have? 1. Yes, that is correct. In normal division, we had 1. But when it comes to square root, we are finding the square root division, right? So we have to add 2 zeros. Yes, this is the difference. In yesterday's video, I have explained, you have to add 2 zeros. Now, whatever number you add next to that, multiply. Try 145 into 6, 147 into 7, 148 into 8. It should be closest to 11100. Whatever number you 147, okay, 7 sevens are 49, 7 fours are 28, 32, 7 ones are 7, 10. So whatever you number you write here, 147 into 7, 1029. Fine. In the question, students, look at the question, what they have told. Correct to how many decimal places? Corrected to 2 decimal places. Yes. Try 2 decimal places, find 2 decimal. 7.7, you should get 7.7 something. Then the remainder is complete. Whoever didn't understand, just stop. I'll teach. I'll teach after 2 minutes. Okay, stop doing, students. After break, you'll continue. Take break. We'll continue at 1:35. Yeah, stop writing. After 1:35, you can continue. Take break. Naomi, stop doing it till here. I'll teach you the next part.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, the division when I explain, you'll learn. Okay, others done? Did you all complete this division? Students done or still
Yes.
done? Okay, let me complete this. Ivania, not Ivania. Naomi, Cherish. Excuse me. Yusra done. Tanushka, Mariam, Lemula, Cherisha.
Yes.
Okay, look here, students. Division method up to 7.7. After 7.7, what's the remainder we get here? 1100, 1100 minus 29, 171. Yeah, tell me what's the remainder? What's the remainder you got here? 1100, 71, 80, 90, 100. Okay, 71. Sorry, 71. Next, what do you do? What's the new number we multiplied here? New number is 7 plus 7. How much is 147 plus 7? 154. How many zeros should I add? I have to add two zeros. Now, which number I have to multiply? 154 into what? Closest value. Try 154, 4 into 4. Or 153, 3 into 3. For which one did you all get close to 7? 100 students. For which one? Four times table. Did you all get it for 4 times? So what's the answer? What's the answer, Naomi? What did we get? 7 point?
7.747.
7.74. Two decimals. Take these two decimals. 7.74. So 10 plus minus 7.74 divided by 4. This you split into two parts. 10 plus 7.74 divided by 4, comma 10 minus 7.74 divided by 4. What's the answer you'll get? 17.74 divided by 4. $2.26. What's the final answer you got, students?
2.435.
Okay, 4.43. Reduced to two decimal places. 4.43. Next one. I think you should get it in decimals, right?
0.5.
Okay, how do you solve this? 226. Take it as 226 divided by 4. Take it as 226 divided by 2.
Get 6.5.
56. 4 5s are 20, remainder 2, bring down 6. 4 6 are 24, remainder 2. Keep a 0. 4 5s are 20. 56.5. How many decimal numbers are already there in the question? In the question already there were two decimal.
numbers.
If you shift it to the left hand side, the answer is 0.565. And correct to two decimal places. The third one is 5, 0.57. All of you got the answer? 4.43, 0.57.
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Cherisha, Lemula, Mariana, Naomi. This is how
Yes,
we
sir.
do it. 7.75. Later you all can try. See, we haven't started the students. Even if I teach quadratic, the same time. 4.43, 56, 4.43, 0.57. Let us 4.43. Look here, 4.43. They have written it as 4.44, 0.561. What did we get? 0.57. Almost close. Point 1 or 2, they won't reduce marks. You'll get full marks. 4.43, 0.57. The answer is, look, 4.440, 0.561. So you'll get full marks. I think 3 or 4 marks question. Next, page number 31. Fine. Will you try this for homework? Which chapter is this? Which chapter? Linear inequation, right? Copy this question, students. Copy this question. Do it for homework. X belongs to integer. For integer, you keep dots, number line. Solve the following equation. Write the solution set and represent it on number line. This was last year paper, 2024. Wait, let me see. 2020. No, not last. Yeah, last year, 2024. This year's paper mostly you'll get after 2 or 3 months. This is last year paper. Yeah, copy this question, try it for homework. Minus 3 plus x less than equal to 7x by 2 plus 2. Split into two equation. Less than 8 plus 2x. Did you all copy? All of you copied the question? Solve the inequation, solution set, number line. All three. Inequation, solution set, number line. 3 marks question. Okay, next. Done, all of you all copied? Next one, 35. Yeah, this question, remember this? I had given it for test last week or something. Monday, which appears on Monday. Yeah. So you can just skip through. We'll just go through the solution. Look at what is the total possible outcomes. Total outcome, students, 8. Okay. First, Monday. Monday, what is the favorable outcome? 6. The answer is 6 divided by 8, 3 by 4. Which does not appear in Monday? What are the alphabets which does not appear on Monday? We have D. No, D appears, right? S. What else? S and U. S, U, and that's it. Only 2. Okay, your calculation, forget about this. This is totally different. What are the numbers which doesn't appear? Which alphabet? S and U. 2 divided by 8. What's 2 divided by 8? 1 by 4. Then, which appears both in Sunday and Monday? Common alphabet. What are the common alphabets here? N, D, A, Y. N, D, A, Y. 4. 4 divided by 8. Look here. 4 divided by 8, 1 by 2. This question was given in R.S. Agarwal. It was 2023 paper. Okay. Banking. We didn't solve any GST question. One last question is given GST. Try this question. See, Rohan, what friends? Laddu and pastry is given. How much is 1 kg laddu given? What's the amount? Yeah, first answer this, students. All of you will answer. Understand the concept. Later you can try. How many quantities? What's the kg? How many kgs did you buy? 2. So what is the total cost price? Total cost price 500 into 2 is 1000. 1000. On 1000 you have to calculate GST. Same goes with pastries. 100 per kg, 12 pieces. Then what will be the cost price? 12 into 100 is 1000. 1200. On that 18%. Look here. Can you see here what they have done? Okay, better even you all write this table, students. Draw the table, copy this. Other calculation part you all have to do it. Look what they have given. Laddu 500 kg, rate of GST, total price 1200. Naomi, did you understand this? Mariam, Mariana, quantity?
Yes.
Yeah, if quantity is given. And if discount is given, subtract. Yesterday we solved discount question. Your discount is not given. Okay, calculate, complete this. Calculate total GST, total bill including GST. Last question. Wait, students, let me just tell you all how to write it. See, you don't have to draw table. Instead of that, you can write laddu here. Price is equals to 500. Quantity. Quantity is equals to 2 kg. Therefore, cost price is equals to 500. Write it like this. Don't draw table. 500 into 2000. GST is equals to 8%. So you take any papers, the last 10 years paper, as of now you'll be able to solve at least 10 to 12 marks. Minimum 10 marks, 10 to 15 marks. You'll be able to solve 10 to 15 for 4 chapters. Yes, students, be quick, done. Another 2 minutes left. What's the answer? GST amount. How do you calculate GST? 5 divided by 100 into 1000. So what's the answer? 50. Here, what do you get? GST is 18%. 18 divided by 100 into 1200. 18 into 12 is 180 plus 36, 216. What's the answer, students? 18 plus 18 into 12. 36, 180 plus 36. 260. All of you got the values 50 and 216?
Yes,
Yeah, this is how you do it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, even an exam, do it like this. Now tell me total GST, students. What is total GST? 50 plus 216? Tell me what is total GST? 266. How do you calculate total bill? What are the total items we have? 1000 plus 1200 plus what is the GST amount? 1000 plus 1200 plus GST is 266. What is the total bill? 2004. Did you get 2466 total bill?
Yes, sir.
Look at the calculation. Maybe for 3 marks, 3 or 4 marks question. So GST you'll have 3 or 4, banking 3 or 4. It depends. Linear inequation same 3 or 4 marks. Probability only 3 marks. You don't need to draw the table. You can write it like this. 266, 2466 is the answer. Okay, for 2 years we have completed, students. For last 2 years, 23, 22 paper is done. The remaining we'll do it next week. Next Friday, Saturday we'll solve remaining papers. Okay, for homework, one question. I have given one question and go through which chapter is that? Cyclic quadrilateral. All of you will revise cyclic quadrilateral and Monday we'll start with cyclic quadrilateral. Look, if you go to playlist on YouTube, if you go to playlist, 10th standard ICT will be there. If you open this, you'll have cyclic property, angle and cyclic property. Look, C1, I would have written C1. C1 is for class 1. C1. Go through C1, C2. If you know, fine. You don't have to watch. If not, go through C1, C2. Basic properties I have covered. And from Monday, we'll start solving the questions. Fine. That's it for today. You can leave.